In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to view your order history on Amazon website. Firstly, go to Amazon.com. Sign into your Amazon account using your credentials. Towards the top right corner, click on the down pointing chevron next to the Accounts and Lists button under your name. From the drop-down menu, choose Account, and then click on Your Orders button. Your Orders screen will display your most recent orders. To view orders from a different time frame, click on the bottom, labeled as Last 30 days or Past 3 months, located above the first recent order. Select the period within which you wish to see your purchases, and the items from that time period will display automatically. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.